it's your girl Chloe back with another video, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me when I'm packing my bags for my vacation. So I'm going to be picking out 2 outfits, setting them on my bed, then asking Siri pick a number through 1 and 2. Whichever number that she picks is the outfit that I have to wear for day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. So let's get on to the video. I picked out a shirt. Now it's time for me to pick out some shorts I'm gonna wear for day 1. I think the shorts that I want to wear for day 1 is gonna be these shorts. So let's put that and that with these. No. Alright, I know what shoes I want to wear. Alright, so this is the outfit that I really want Siri to pick. This outfit will be number 1. So it says 1 in a melon. And then the shorts are very cute. And then I think the Converse would go good with those. So yeah. Now let's pick the outfit like I don't really want. So the outfit that I don't really want is gonna be this and this outfit is gonna be so ugly. Like I really hope that she does not pick this outfit. Like Siri, like don't pick number 2, please. She will not ever make choices for me. Alright, so those shorts, and then for the rest of the outfit, I'm just going to do these sandals. Alright, this is the outfit that I don't want her to pick. This one, like I like the sandals and all, but like I'm sorry, I'm looking through my camera. I mean, I like the sandals, but like, oh my god, the rest of the outfit is like, but like, yeah. So, let's ask her. That's from here. Okay. Okay, so ready? Siri, pick a number through 1 and 2.
It's 1.
Let's go! Let's go! It's the outfit that I wanted. It's this outfit. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So, now I'm obviously going to bring a hat. Oh, we should ask her that. Hold on. Siri, should I wear a hat?
Nice weather coming up today. Up to 75 degrees.
Oh my god. I mean, I'm talking about Wednesday, so whatever, I'm gonna bring my hat. I got this here. So I'm packing it in here. I'm going to screenshot the outfit, so I will be back. So this is the outfit for the second day. The second day, I think we're going to the lake. So this is the outfit that I don't want her to pick. I mean, it wouldn't really go good with my hat, and it wouldn't go good over my bathing suit really either. So yeah, I want her to pick this because it's really beach vibe The shorts would go good. And this outfit would go good with my hat. It would go good over my bathing suit. And I don't think I'm going to get heat stroke in this outfit. I mean, they're both very beach vibey, but like, I like this one better. So let's see what she says. So this time I'm going to mix it up. This is going to be outfit 2, and this is going to be outfit 3. So I'm going to tell her pick a number through 2 and 3. So that the shoes are in the middle. That means that whichever one that she picks, the shoes are going to go with it. So yeah, let's see. Siri, pick a number through 1 and... No.
It's 20.
No. Siri, pick a number through 2 and 3.
The answer is 3.
Let's go! This is rigged! Yo! I cannot believe she is picking my outfit that I want every single time. Like, oh my god! So, I guess it'll be this outfit then, huh? Alright. Let me screenshot it and we'll get to the next round. So, this will be number 3. And this will be number 4. So, as you know, Siri picked number 3 last time. So, I really hope that she picks number 3 again. But anyways, why the shorts are in the middle is because I am not going on my vacation with pants on. So if she picks pants, no, I'm probably just going to switch it to shorts. So, yeah. So I have my Converse here and my sandals over there. But I just got notified that on the first or the third day, we will go to get air. The first outfit for the first day is fine for get air, and either of these outfits are also fine for get air, so I'm not too worried about that. So let's ask Siri right now. Siri, pick a number through 3 and 4.
The answer is 19.
Oh my god. Siri, pick a number through 3 and 4.
The answer is 4.
No! Oh, I told you guys. No. Oh my god, I hate you, Siri. I hate you. I should have switched them. So, it looks like I'm not going to be wearing the Converse. Not going to be wearing that shirt. I am going to wear those. But I have to wear that shirt, which that shirt is not very comfortable. Alright guys, I will be right back. Guys, that will end today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you are notified every time I post another video. Love you guys. Peace.